Organism and population. Population. All oak trees in a forest. Ecological study. Organism and environment. Ecology. Population is group of individual of a species which interbreed and remain isolated from other such population. Narrow salinity. Stenohaline. Major ecological community of plants and animals exist. Biome. Over large natural resources. Major ecological community of plants and animals extend over large natural areas known as biome. Biome, large unit of land bearing having different community. Habitat, geographical limit within which a population exists. In sea, salt concentration 30 to 35. Global warming conditions organisms facing severe threat is snow leopard. Desert, large scale diurnal variation in surface temperature occurs. Hibernation, energy of respiration is connected into heat. Thermohomeostasis, state of equilibrium constancy. From hibernation to Colorado National Park. From Siberia to Colorado National Park. Adaptive extreme heat estivation. Deer hibernation, snail estivation, zooplankton diapause, seeds dormancy. Allen's rule applies to mammals from colder climate, having shorter ears, limbs to minimize heat loss. Competitive competition causes large number of niche. Orchids and mango tree commensalism. Avoid competition, choosing different times for feeding pattern. Resource partition. Father of Indian ecology, Ramdev Mishra. Benthic organism affected mostly sedimentary characteristics. Organism and an entire community and its environment is synecology. Adapt Edaphic factor related to soil texture. Mangrove zone rhizophora. Sunken stomata xerophytes. Ecological niche, functional role and status of a species with reference to its place of occurrence. Development character of xerophytes, halophytes. Natural growth, BD total population 200. dn by dt equals to k by n, k minus n by k. R. Intrinsic rate of natural increase. Belly shaped polygonal pyramid, moderate percent of young individual. Exploring exploring intrinsic withstand J shape. Population, geometric representation of age structure is a character of Verla's Pearl dn by dt equals to Rn k minus n by k. K is in thus in this. K is carrying capacity. Sigmoid growth curve, logistic. Process decreases population density, mortality and immigration. Sigmoid logistic growth curve dn by dt equals to R and n minus 1 by k. Habitat limited resources, log phase, accelerating phase, deaccelerating phase, asymptote. Logistic growth curve, dissipting population limited by carrying capacity S. Logistic growth curve, dissipting population limited by carrying capacity. Support a limited population and depending upon its carrying capacity. Support a limited population depending upon its carrying capacity. Carrying capacity, limited resources. Non-limiting environment consists there will be maximum non-nality and maximum mentality. Exponential population growth dn by dt equals to Rn. Crash phase in population growth occurs. Learning, algal bloom, seasonal insect. Change in nature of population are called population dynamics. Maximum survival and reproduction capacity shown by biotic potential. Population under optimal condition. Maximum survival and reproduction capacity shown by population under optimal condition. Biotic potential and vitality. Best method to solve population problem in India. Reduce birth rate. Sedentary sea anemone plus hermit crab. Symbiosis. Golden jackal tiger communism. Urban Gadden tortoise in Galapagos Island extinction after goats introduced. Competition exclusion. Mutualism. Crab and sea anemone. Orpheus and bee. Commensalism. Sucker fish and shark. Orchids. Epiphytes on mango branch. Parasite. Cacusta and Cycas head plant. Ticks on dogs. Competition. Bananas and chathamalas. Predation. Cactus and moth. Tiger and deer. Sparrow and seeds. Interdependence. Kill and feed on other in is prudent. Both symbiosis. Both population density of terrestrial organism meter square. Maintain species diversity is communities predators. Biodiversity of animal example of predator. Praying mantis cry example of camouflage. Pacific salmon fish breeds only in once in lifetime. NT equals to NOE e की power RT. Exponential growth. Oysters large number small size offspring. dn by dt equals to Rn k minus n by k. Vernal per logistic growth. Conical edge pyramid plus broad base escape human population. Wasp pollinating a fig flower expanding. Area high species richness is hotspot. Gauss law is related to competition exclusion.